We all wake up in the morning feeling the same way. Should I close my eyes and go back to sleep? Should I put my feet on the ground and start the day? We're all surrounded by fear and overwhelm at that point, and we have to make a decision that will carry us through the rest of the day and dictate the results that we get in everything that we do, in our relationships, our personal lives, our feelings, our health, our wellness, our faith, our friends, and our business. There are many aspects to our lives, and we all have challenges in every one of them. I had challenges also, and I tried to figure out, how can I win? How can I build upon those solutions? How can I overcome that fear overwhelm that is internalized as depression and externalized as anger? Well, there are many ways to look at this and many ways to move past it. The reality is you can start with a win and you can build upon those wins throughout the day. I'm Adam Contos. I'm the CEO of the public company Remax Holdings. I went from being a 2-time college dropout to being a street cop and helping other people with their problems to moving on and getting my MBA and running a public company. I put the tools and lessons to succeed that I found throughout my life in this book, Start with a Win. I encourage you to check it out. You'll be glad you did, and it'll help you start winning.